Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. Today we're going to do this little exciting thing. Solly, going to see your car.
I'm going to see the car. Yeah.
You're going to see your car? Which car is it again?
It's not my car yet. I'm going to see if it can be my car.
Which one?
It's a Vauxhall Corsa.
It's getting a Vauxhall Corsa. It's just like this.
Yeah, it's all good. What's up, people?
Is it 1.2 or 1.4?
It's a 1.2. I can't find any 1.4s.
Oh, is it black just like Ricky's?
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Oh no, it's gonna start again the Corsa saga. But yeah, since this is gonna be a nice journey all the way to Brentcross, I'm gonna do a little scene, like changing.
Can you connect?
Suicidal, we say it's over, it's forever.
That vibe.
Pressurizing the wheels. Ricky looking like a mechanic. Solly doing the hardest job. Solly, how do you feel having the hardest job?
I don't know. I feel alright.
You feel alright? You should be lower. It needs to be touching the ground. There's gap.
Wait, Andre, heads up.
1 second. So, like usual, I'm in the car. I'm waiting for the guys to come back because Ricky went to see his girlfriend at work and she finishes in 15 minutes. And then she's probably gonna come with us. So I have to wait here to protect the car from traffic inspectors. And yeah, life's a bitch. Sucks to be me.
One eternity later.
It's getting really hot in here. I think I might die. Let's open the door. Felt good. This guy's taking forever, man. It's midday. Where are they? What? Is a mess. It's like a graveyard nearly, bro. Look at this. There you go, that's the guy right there. Let's do this.
Okay, let's do this.
Could smell a little bit better.
You want to take your film?
No, I'm vlogging.
The YouTuber.
We got the car right here. Solly. I want to get Solly's reaction.
Yeah.
Can I have a look around?
Yeah. Which is now the some like you know the beach.
I didn't do the insurance quote on this.
Well, that was a no-go.
Still be a clutch.
Yeah, to the next one. We got to location number 2. Solly, you've seen the second car, innit? Is this still a Corsa? Yo! So much louder than yours. Yo! But this one screams more though.
The last car that we just looked at? Yeah, like head gasket. I saw it straight away.
How did you know? It's a common problem, isn't it?
It is, look.
Yeah, he had one. That's
I had one of these
I'll tell you
cars.
why. Because a lot of first-time driver drive them, they never check the wood or anything,
Yeah, I
and
know.
this one, once it overheats once,
So that's driving is
That's right.
possible feature car? Possibly. Possibly. Listen.
Alright.
Alright. How does it feel like Like very soon you might be in that position over there.
Oh no, go on.
So gearbox is fucked. Alright. So what we're doing, I was just jumping straight in the car and that
Tell them gearbox was no good at all. It crunched every single time went reverse, first and second.
Yeah, I know, I should just leave it.
Priced at 300-400.
Yeah, I know, I need to.
Solly.
I'll leave it.
Solly. Find a better car with better
Come
prices.
from Andre, you know. I don't have a driver license.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Oh, listen to me.
Put the camera in my face.
I know my shit.
I'm telling him because he's telling you.
No.
I'm just supporting, I'm backing it, bro. I'm backing it, bro.
I'm gonna buy two, I'm gonna put it smart.
So,
It's everywhere. I can't buy one.
we've looked at two cars and we decided to say fuck it. We're basically back in ends now. And we're gonna get some biryani rice. Yo, Solly,
I want to buy 3 actually.
how was it today?
It's alright.
It was a very educational day today.
It wasn't an educational day.
It was
We just
It was
looked
very
at
educational.
we just looked at rubbish cars. Yeah,
You're looking for your first car, fam.
I know. I want it to be cheap.
This is the place. Okay. Oh, it smells good. So we just got home. It was a long day, I'm not gonna lie. But we saw 2 shit cars in which Ricky wasn't happy with, so therefore Solomon wasn't happy with. But yeah, that's basically it. That was all day today. Hope you guys liked that. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to do something for yourself, and as always,